Hello YouTubers, welcome to another earnings update on my How to Webmaster YouTube channel. In the last 30 days, my channel at this time has 14,000 subscribers and gets about 40 to 50,000 views a month and earns roughly $500. Here are some examples of the types of video content on my How to Webmaster channel. There are mostly videos about website tools, internet marketing, and some make money online content. The average view duration is about 1 minute and 43 seconds. I make fairly short videos most of the time. Here are my audience stats. The top 2 viewer locations are from India and United States. Okay, lastly here is the revenue stats showing the cost per thousand rates. Other channel niches will have different ad rates, such as finance, marketing, and business related niches will usually earn the highest rates. If you want to follow me for more updates on my channel earnings, please hit that subscribe button. Thanks so much and happy YouTubing.